and welcome to another episode of Art with Kelly. And I'm trying something totally different on my channel. Last week I brought up a lot of grief and pain and disappointment that I've been dealing with for a long time. I mean, let's be honest, it's been a really long time. And I started realizing that I was putting so many bits of my life or pieces of my life on hold, and a lot of this channel was about trying to create these beautiful vignettes and scenes from life. But the thing is like, I think I kind of made it really boring, and to be honest, my life is actually really exciting if I let it be exciting. So I'm going to switch more into a vlog style so that you can actually see what my life looks like, and it's a way for me to be open to something totally different than my self-imposed formulas and timelines. So, alright, I've got to work on some pet portraits, and maybe I'll head to the park today, but I will talk to you soon. So we've been actually experiencing flash flooding where I live. So I was not able to go outside this morning, but I am getting my running shoes on, and hopefully the weather is not going to be too bad. But I try to get a good workout in every single day, because being an artist can be a little bit on the side.
Look at these. They're so wet, but they're so beautiful. Watch that.
Well, my past social media attempts were to try to connect with people online, and so I had to go an alternative route, but this is the flash flooding that is really close to where we live. I cannot believe this. So I'm going to see how far I can go and still be safe. This is crazy. This morning before work, my husband and I were praying and trying to decide if we should go in. He went in, but I had to take the day off and work at home.